So from there, whether I'm connected on my server or on my VPS, it's exactly the same manipulation. So when I'm logged onto my machine, I'll just run the lines of code that I would have provided you. So just copy paste the lines and let you do the thing. Here we go. So there I did all the lines of code. Now we are going to create our nano Docker compose. So hop and there, what interests me, what I want. So I'm going to install the total, my vStation. Then I have mine N. Change Qdrant, Ollama whisper. I do generic file, I do copy, and now I do a small right click here. It's beautiful. Now we're going to create our environment, so do what I want. Well, the same I want the total, so there password post VSQL. So there I marked, this is a tutorial name of the database. I will call it N8NMA. Happy key, this is a tutorial, the email address. So there the email address impact, Qdrant uses my work. This info and encryption N8N. There you can really put what you want. Let's blow a little the URL of the waybook. So it will be what your subdomain N8N. So here I will be, we will put n8information.nichemywork.com. Here I click on generate file. I copy the code, here my fridge. Finished, and we will start the services quietly. So when you start the services, so there you will see it is pooling. It will download all the necessary packages, so we hope so. So there you will be able to have your coffee quietly, and we will wait for it to end, so that's it. It downloaded everything and it launched everything. And here what we are going to do is that now we are going to do a sudo docker which recomposes stop, and there we wait for it to end, and we are going to move on to the following configuration. So there the configuration will be different if you have a home server or if you have a VPS server, so I let you watch the corresponding videos.